Hello viewers, Teacher Isaac here from Muna Educational Services. So friends, we are doing some revision in O-level math. So we have some O-level math revision questions here in the topic functions. So in our previous videos, we have handled part A and part B Roman 1. So in this last video, we are going to handle part B Roman 2. So in part B Roman 2, maybe let me just repeat the question for those of you who are seeing the video for the first time. We are given functions here, 3 of them. We have f of x being equivalent to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. Then we have gx being equivalent to x squared. Then we have hx being equivalent to 12 minus x. Now here they want us to find the value of x, that is in part B Roman 2. Find the value of x if gx is equivalent to hx. So let us begin. So this is part B Roman 2. So they want us to find the value of x when gx is equal to hx. So we first write the functions. Let me first have my gx, which is equivalent to x squared. Then my hx, which is equivalent to 12 minus x. So they've told us they're equal. They are telling us that gx is equivalent to hx. So we substitute for our beautiful functions. Gx is x squared, being equivalent to hx. Hx is 12 minus x. So we shall try to collect like terms by bringing the x this side, and we shall have x squared. And to process, this one is going to be plus x. We shall also bring the 12 this side. When it comes, it will become a negative, such that this one is equivalent to 0. So friends, what you can see here, we are ending up with a beautiful quadratic equation, which you can solve using any of the methods which you know. We can use the factorization method, we can complete squares, or we can use the formula method. Check on our videos to see how we can solve quadratic equations on TikTok, on YouTube, and Instagram. So for this equation here, we are going to extract what we call the sum. The sum is the coefficient of x, and it is 1. Then we shall also have what we call the product. The product is this, it is our negative 12. So friends, we are going to get two factors such that when we multiply them, we get negative 12, and when we add them, we get 1. So those numbers there, they are going to be 4 and negative 3. So these numbers, when you add them, you will get 1. When you multiply them, you will get negative 12. So we shall replace them where we have x, and we try to factorize this quadratic. So we shall end up having x squared. You can start with this. Then minus 3x. Then plus 4x. Then minus 12 equal to 0. So we shall handle this separately and even handle this separately. So here we shall pull out the common factor, which is x, such that we shall be having x into x minus 3. And even here we shall pull out the common factor, which is a 4. So we shall have a plus 4 into x minus 3 being equivalent to 0. So here, friends, still we shall pull out the common factor, which is x minus 3, such that when we pull it out, we shall have x minus 3 into x plus 4 being equivalent to 0. So when we reach here, we shall use the zero product rule, whereby we can say that since the product of these two expressions is giving us 0, it means that either x minus 3 is equal to 0, or it is x plus 4 which is equivalent to 0. So friends, from this we shall have our final answers for x as positive 3 there, and here we shall have our answer for x as a negative 4. So friends, that is our value of x for which these two functions are equal. I remain Teacher Isaac from Muna Educational Services. Thank you.